Activix is seamlessly integrated with EasyDeal. We'll be able to transfer our customers from Activix to EasyDeal. We'll also receive the updated customer and transaction information from EasyDeal back into Activix. Let's talk a little bit about how that works. EasyDeal will be able to receive from Activix the customer and business information, the wanted vehicle, as well as the financial information. From EasyDeal, we'll then receive all of that information updated either overnight, when the deal is saved, or when the deal is sold. Let's go take a look at how that works. Let's go ahead and create a customer together. Here, we'll input the customer's name and information as usual, and then we'll click Create. In this case, I can actually send a vehicle to EasyDeal, but I'll just go ahead and select one in EasyDeal directly, but first I have to import the customer in EasyDeal. We'll go into the quotation bank, click on Activix Import, and then select the customer on the top. The latest customer created in Activix will always appear at the top of the list. We'll select the customer, and then we'll select a vehicle. Then, overnight, I'll receive this vehicle as such in Activix with all of the vehicle's information as well as the financial information. If the vehicle is sold in EasyDeal, you'd see here that I also get the sale date information. Simple as that. For your advisors, EasyDeal has an excellent feature in only allowing users to create customers in the CRM and not through EasyDeal. This will obviously naturally create more engagement in the CRM. I'll show you how to activate this with your users. We'll go into the management menu in the bottom right corner, then we'll select Salesperson Inscription. Here, you'll choose the specific users, typically your sales advisors, who will have to create customers in the CRM and not in EasyDeal. Then we'll scroll down to the Other Parameters section, and we'll find the setting, Make Importation of the Client from the CRM Mandatory for Calculation, and we'll turn this on, select Yes, and then hit OK to save. And there you have it.